It starts with the smallest of details, with the care, precision, and patience needed to let your efforts rise above your expectations. After all, there's nothing standard about being excellent. That is what Pristine believes in, offering solutions and products that rise above the norm and giving our clients a delicious edge over their competition. And how do we do that? We focus on what's important to you and outshine the standard solutions. We'll start with our products, formulated and offered in ways that help our clients tailor what they need. Owing to our vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities, we are able to supply all your baking needs, from specialty flours all the way to bakery mixes and concentrates, up to finished frozen bakery products. Allowing us to customize formulas based on your requirements, we've taken a diverse and unique approach to distribution channels, ensuring the quality and viability of any product we create for all your baking needs. Hold on, rewind back for a bit. Let's talk about quality. Pristine's Center of Excellence Labs continuously works to guarantee that all Pristine products and solutions rise above the market standards. We don't settle for average. We make sure you get the best products and services on the market. To provide consistent quality, our factories operate with the ingredients that are sourced with the highest international standards that allow us to support local markets with the best and freshest solutions. Need more tailoring? Our complementary portfolio offers diversity in ways that meet all baking needs. And a marketing team that is culturally diverse, enabling them to use their international exposure for technical knowledge, market trends, and consumer behavior. So why work with Pristine? Because we rise above our competition. And with us, you will too.